dogs are good for you. At least that's been my experience. Even the dogs that aren't perfect end up helping you a little. But a really good dog, well, that's another thing altogether. I swear they make us better humans. There's something life-giving about a dog, and everybody ought to have the opportunity to do life with a really good dog at least once. I've lived with dogs my entire life, but it still amazes me how much capacity there is in the human heart to love a dog, especially a good dog. My dad has often said that dogs like everything more than we like anything. And man, isn't that so true? My dog is always happy and always positive and always willing to give me her very best effort. Good dogs are just that way. So dialed in, so conscious of what I'm doing and what I need. Sometimes I'm convinced that my dog thinks about me all day long. And given the choice, I know for a fact that she would choose to sit with me and do nothing before anything else in this whole world. And I'll be honest, I don't know of any one thing for me that adds as much enjoyment to a duck hunt as the presence of my dog. She wakes up every morning so excited, so grateful just to be alive, just to be on the next hunt, just to be with me. I'm quite sure I've not even once woken up as excited about a hunt as she is about every single one. The excitement on her face when it's time to go is incredible. And I love that she doesn't complain. I'm so quick to be negative, but she always remains positive, believing in me and ready to go. She never says things like, they're not going to fly good in these clouds, or we never get them on an east wind. Or why'd you pick this spot? I hate this hole. She's just glad to be out there with me. She brings me the purest form of friendship, trust, and perfect happiness. Her compassion and patience with me make me a better person. A wise man once said that a dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than you love yourself. And you know what? This world would be a whole lot better place if we all learned hope and peace and unconditional love from a good dog.